Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to log in Namecheap cPanel and how to use Namecheap cPanel. So let's get started. So at first we need to visit namecheap.com, and after that from the top we are going to click on account and then we are going to click on dashboard. And here we need to enter our Namecheap username and password and then click on sign in and continue. So now we are in the Namecheap dashboard, and from here we are going to see how we can log into our cPanel account. So from the left menu, we are going to click on hosting list, and here it will show us our current hosting plans, and next to our hosting plan, we will see a go to cPanel button. So we are going to click on it, and this will take us to our Namecheap cPanel account. So now we are in the Namecheap cPanel account. So this is how you can access Namecheap cPanel account, and now we are going to see how you can use it. So I am going to give you a basic overview of Namecheap cPanel account. Let's say you want to navigate to your files, then from here you will scroll down to file section and you will click on file manager. File manager contains all the website files and you will find all the website files here. Now let's say you want to check out databases on your cPanel account. So from here we are going to scroll down to databases section. So here it is, and now we are going to click on MySQL databases, and here you will see all the databases that are available on your account under the current databases section. And also you can create a new database from here. Just enter your new database name here, and after that just click on create database, and in this way a new database will be created. Now let's say you want to install WordPress on your Namecheap cPanel. So from here you will scroll down to Softaculous apps installer, and below it you will see scripts, and under it you will see WordPress. So from here we are going to click on WordPress, and now we are going to click on install now, and here you will see all the WordPress installation settings, and you can easily install WordPress from here. So this is how you can log in and access Namecheap cPanel account, and also how you can use it. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.